Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I appreciate you. New viewers, you guys become subscribers so that you get some awesome recipes like this guy right here. Today I'm making a one-pan sausage with sweet potatoes and apples. I'm also throwing in some onions and bell peppers just to add a little crunch and flavor. But these are the stars. So I have two 13-ounce packages. That's 4 lengths of smoked sausage. Those are Eckrich Farms, but use whatever brand you like. 2 good-sized sweet potatoes, chopped up, skinned, and then 6 apples. 3 are Fuji and 3 are Gala. I'm going to hold off on those. We'll put those on the plate later. So 4 tablespoons of vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's about the juice of a lemon if you're wondering. About 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, and I want to get that pretty well through. Teaspoon kosher salt, teaspoon black pepper, tablespoon of ground cinnamon. We'll mix these up, and then when we come back, we'll put it into the pan. All right, nice sized pan, 13 by 10 if I had to guess. I'm going to put about half of the onion in. Okay, so about 1 onion in, and about half of my bell pepper, which is about 1 bell pepper. And then we're just going to start putting this in. And we'll see how full we get. We're probably going to need 2 pans. That's okay. By the way, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. All put together, as I said, 2 pans, 400 degree oven. We're going to go for an hour. Stir it every 15 minutes. See you in 60 minutes. All right, it's been a little over an hour, 1 hour and 10. And I mixed it 3 times throughout. And I did shuffle the 2 pans from top to bottom just so that I'm keeping everything even for both sets. But you can see they're nice and tender. And everything is cooked up. That's all there is to it, guys. Nice and easy, whole hearty meal, and it's healthy. You know, there wasn't a lot of fat that went into that.
This is good and great. This is 2 thumbs up great. Great.
You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what alterations you make, what spices you might twist about. Otherwise, check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.